Hello everyone, welcome to this short instructional video in which I am going to show you how to properly create polling inside a BigBlueButton meeting room. So first of all, I have identified 3 ways that you can do it. Let's start with the easiest one. So actually you need to go to the Actions menu first and choose Start a Poll. Since you have done that, the options are going to appear for you at the left-hand side of the screen. So as you can see, if I want to start a poll, I need to choose an option. Let's say that right now I would like my users to choose from true or false. Clicking here immediately starts the polling system. Right now, my users can answer the question. They can answer either true or false, and I have live results. Right now, my test user has responded and the response is false. As you can see, I can see the percentages and I can see even his response as well. If I wish, I can publish polling results, so my users will see it at the right-hand side of the screen. Okay, if I want to get rid of this results, I can click on Clear All Annotations. And I would like to show you now the second option for polling. So again, I am in the same screen, so going into Actions and then into Start a Poll. But this time, I am not going to use any of the options that are here by default. I want to go into Custom Poll. So let's say that my users will have 3 options to choose from, Plan A, Plan B, and Plan C. So right now I need to actually type this into the options. And I need to start Custom Poll. So it is the same right now. They can answer and I will see the live results. Okay. Actually, there is another option. You can prepare the slide inside a PowerPoint. So this was done fully inside this tool. This is just a slide from PowerPoint, but what I did was to identify what are the answers, A, B, C, D, and I've made it inside the PowerPoint tool. And right now, since BigBlueButton recognizes this, I can go into Quick Poll and immediately choose it. So right now, people have the options to choose from A, B to C. Okay, that's pretty much it regarding polls. Thank you for your attention.